Mind so bright, heart so pure, she heals with science, her passion sure. Through ramp she walks, through lab she thrives, a brilliant of grace where excellent thrives. Hello ma'am.
Hello Manya.
How are you?
I'm good Manya.
And I'm a PCB student.
Okay.
And I am Ashika from class 7th. Your presence truly lights up this event. She is such a multi-talented personality among us.
So sweet of you.
Now ma'am, we would like to ask you some questions related to your journey. So ma'am, I want to know how do you manage to balance your professional responsibility as a doctor and your even interest in modeling and like you now tell in horse riding. So how do you manage these two kind of fields like which are entirely different from each other?
Yes, of course. So Mani, I do believe our brain works in the two different hemispheres. One is the emotional part and another is the logical part. And we all have the same capacity to balance both of them. So it's all I just took some time for myself. I literally practiced how I manage my time as well as my choices of my life, like if I want to work as a doctor, so I have to manage my professional things. That's the logical part. But when it comes to the horse riding and modeling, they all are like my emotional abstract of my brain. So I believe I need to believe that I practiced over the years that how can I convince my brain to decree about these two sides of my brain.
Was it your dream to be a doctor or your parents' dream? Like
my own dream.
Ma'am, if you are given with a chance of choosing any one field out of two, which would it be?
No, I will never ever give you any chance to choose because it's totally your own choice to choose what makes you feel happy. Because it's not about the field beta, it's a part of your happiness because success always comes from the happiness, okay? But happiness never comes from the success.
What would you say about medical tourism in our country and how according to you India can emerge as a hotspot for the medical tourism?
Medical tourism is an emerging industry in India and since we Indian doctors are considered as the best all over the globe on the second number and since like African countries, CZ countries, they are keen to take treatments from the Indian doctors. And Delhi is really doing wonderful in India.
Yes,
like there are lots of hospitals, corporate hospitals in Delhi, and they are very, they are like full of hospitality and welcoming the patients overseas. And they are definitely getting the good lucrative outcomes on their health part. And medical tourism is definitely, whenever we reach the 2030, it will be the next biggest business of the India.
Ma'am, can you give some tips to us to begin our journey?
Journey regarding what, beta?
Can you give some tips?
Like you are a model.
Tips. So tip number one is first be you. Don't ever try to copy someone else because we all are born with our own specific skills and desires, likes, emotions. We have our own journey. So be you, rule number one. Second, be very clear, very focused what you actually want. Don't be in a dilemma and confused state that okay sir, Monday I want this and another day I want this. So focus is the most important part, and the third thing is repetition and consistency. So whatever you like, suppose if you like to read books, so you need to be consistent to read them every day repeatedly. Doesn't matter how much you read, it can be a 1% of your day, but keep practicing. And the fourth and most important, always love yourself first, because it reflects in your personality and it definitely changes your confidence level.
But ma'am, we are having very much problems to manage our time regarding this. Like we love to do our hobbies,
Yes.
but there are lots of pressure in like studies and we are not able to go with our hobbies or passion we actually wanted to do.
Listen, what happened now, everyone are dealing with the same problem, not only students. Either you are a professional or you are a housewife or you are in a business part. So time we all have a 24 hours fix, okay? So in that case you need to go with the 8-8-8 principle. So 8 hours of sleep, 8 hours of your routine school life, like whatever you are, tuitions or whatever, and still you have a spare 8 hours to invest on yourself. So if you check out from your routine days, like definitely you are wasting 2 or 3 hours somewhere in your day. So you have to pick out that 2-3 hours.
Yes ma'am. Thank you so much
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Your words truly motivated us. And thank you so much ma'am.
Thank you.